I'm back with another beauty video, guys. Alam kong na-miss ninyo itong mga makeup, unboxing, haul and stuff. Kaya naman, isang beauty brand ang nagpadala sa atin ng PR, and it's a massive PR kit, which I'm excited to open. Ito siya, guys. I am not kidding. Sobrang laki talaga ng PR kit na pinadala nila. And so, sinerch ko kasi I've never seen Perfect Diary, di ba? Pero meron sila sa Lazada. So, meaning, nandito na sila sa Philippines. And madali na sila makapag-ship. And nung tinignan ko yung review, surprisingly, maraming nagagandahan. And so, I'm really curious. Para tayong kakapa dito sa parang mahiwagang baul. Bagong lahat, let me know on the comment section below kung nakasubok na ba kayo ng Perfect Diary products. This is their... Ano to? Kung gusto kong hulaan talaga kung anong collection to. This... May ilaw! Ang saya. I think dito sila din sikat. Baka sila ang magwagi sa PR Kits of the Year. Ito yung Discovery Channel kasi super creative. I am already obsessed and I'm falling in love sa PR kit and sa packaging nila. May kita nyo meron ditong mats, meron mga pressed glitters, and meron ditong parang snowflake. You have to see this. Subukan ko tong ribbon kasi parang sobrang nakakaano siya, nakakaaliw siya tingnan. Oh my God! This looks very promising, kaya don't worry guys, abangan niyo yung magiging full face tutorial ko with Perfect Diary. Ano kaya to? Parang, ano siguro to? Face palette, maybe pressed powder or blush, maybe. This is their Stardust Diamond Highlight Powder. Ang ganda ng packaging niya. Okay, this is... sobrang dulas. Oh! Guys, ito yung parang highlighter ng Stella. Gosh, hindi na siya pagkatanggal guys. Napagtagumpayan natin, nairaos natin, nilabas natin siya. So clearly, this is a liquid lipstick na kulay red. Also with this texture ng tint, subukan natin ng very light to. Okay. Para siyang liquid tint na may pagka-glossy. I can see a box of brushes. I feel it. Yes! Ito yung professional brush. Set nila na 10 pieces. This looks very nice and sobrang in-theme sa suot ko ngayon. So you have here a large powder brush. And nice na they have a label. And this is very well done. Sobrang lambot. And quite dense. Yes, super lambot nga niya. It is really nicely done in such a way na pumili sila ng napakalambot na synthetic brush or bristles. And then, may label. So, they went the extra mile. And of course, yung ganda at yung parang yung elegance ng dating niya, I am liking it so far. Meron pa akong nakita isang Discovery palette. Eyeshadow palette din siya, I think. They are really going extra when it comes to packaging. And this is, as you can see, parang pinkish. Yung palette niya mismo, ganun din. So, nakakatuwa na kung ano yung packaging. Cohesive sila dun sa shades, doon sa loob ng eyeshadow palette. So, makita mo may mga pinks. Also, merong pressed glitters na sobrang ganda. So, this is Burning Sky, a coral pink. Hindi siya like as, parang shocking kanina. Well, yung kanina kasing red, may pagka-shimmery siya. But not bad. Hindi siya like ma-fall out, hindi siya dry. So far, they've been really consistent sa ganda ng packaging. Even yung sa ganda ng product nila. I mean, based sa swatches and based sa first impressions ko, yung sa feel niya. And also very exciting the fact na they are coming up with a lot of parang collections such as this. Oh, okay. This is a powder na meron siyang kasamang brush. Synthetic din yung brush and soft din yung bristles. Ang cute no, na kahit yung powder nila, parang collectible ang dating. Sobrang bango. Amoy fresh and mattifying so far. Sobrang yung nipis. Itong mga loose products na I believe mga lip products. For example, meron tayo ditong Rouge Intense Velvet Slim Lipstick and more velvet, or okay, may eyebrow pencil din silang pinadala. and liquid eyeliner. And then mga Glamour Select Velvet Liquid Lipstick. May ilan tayong shades dito. I think 6 shades. At saka 7 shades ng Ultra Everlasting Dream World Matte Lip Color. So, sumubok tayo ng isa. It's a mix of tones. Merong mga orange tones, red tones, and also pink tones. Oh, okay. Very liquidy, as in manipis. 6 lang pala guys yung shades kasi isang na doble. Itong very deep, itong last. So, this is the shade 922. Ito yung walang pangalan yung shade. So, this is yung parang chili. Parang alam mo yun, parang brickish. Ito yun eh. Tama ba? Yes, ito nga yun. Nasa bubblegum. Sobrang interesting ng formula niya. And now guys, tinan nyo, kiss-proof na siya. Nag-transfer siya ng konti, pero hindi siya yung basa. As in, it really sets quickly to this soft, powdery feel. Hindi siya nagbibiyak-biyak, ha? Ganito siya ka-smudge-proof. Intense! How shallow can you be? Okay, number 1, talagang may glitters talaga sila. And then itong Glamour Select Velvet Liquid Lipstick niya, guys, yun yung packaging. Kaya pala sabi ko, bakit parang kapal niya? Siguro dalawa siya sa loob. Pero hindi, dahil nabubuksan siyang ganon. At magnetic. Ang gaan niya, pero magnetic. Sobrang... Hindi kaya parang packaging company talaga sila. Tapos, naisip nila, huy, ang galing natin mag-packaging, bakit hindi na tayo mag-makeup products? Parang ganun. Kasi, unbelievable! As in, parang, okay, I would not think of that. Bakit ba ako super impressed? I've been to China before, and nahirapan ako, as much as I really wanted to buy parang brands from China talaga, as in yung galing doon talaga, no? Medyo nahirapan ako kasi parang konti, or kung meron man parang parang hindi ko like super type yung brand, even like yung feel, or yung packaging, parang hindi cohesive, ganon. Pero itong Perfect Diary na brand, which is like the first brand from China that I've tried na sobrang ganda ng range ng products, mas as in quality, nafe-feel ko yung quality niya, and even the packaging is well thought of. I am really surprised in that sense. Like, I'm really happy that I found a brand from China na it works. You know, parang it works for me. This is in the shade V11, so may pagka-pink siya. At, okay. Velvet liquid lipstick siya na merong glitters, kaya merong glitters din yung packaging. This one is very matte. Kahit may glitter siya, hindi like sobrang laki to the point na parang sobrang off ng glitters, it still looks good. Siguro parang pag tinitigan lang siya, doon mo lang mapapansin yung glitters. Pero pag malayuan, parang siyang, you know, matte pink. Nakakashock itong mascara pa. Kasi pag buhat ko, sabi ko, oh okay, may bigat siya, baka foundation na to. Pero hindi. Lengthening mascara brown ang nakalagay. At mabigat guys yung mascara, or yung kahon. It is so pretty! This is the best na meron ako guys ha. This is like the best mascara packaging that I've seen. I really just hope na maayos or maganda yung formula at least. Oh, it's brown. So far, okay yung applicator niya kasi hindi siya yung makapal. Alam mo yun? And then, hindi kasi ako pwede guys mag-brown mascara kasi ano yun. Pero okay, sa packaging pa lang niya, okay siya. I love it. I love it! Last but definitely not the least, ito na guys, yung Cardcaptor Sakura. You have to see kung gaano guys ka-cute yung packaging. As in, mai-in-love ka dito sa mga ganitong limited boxes nila. May hikaw na Cardcaptor. This is so cute! Okay, you know what? Isuot natin siya. Alam nyo guys yung nakakatawa, hindi siya ganito dahil PR kit siya guys ha. Ganito siyang binibenta sa... alam ko may ganito sa Lazada. Itong parang limited boxes. Simulan muna natin dito. So parang powder siya. And then soft matte din yung packaging. So this one is a soft matte finishing powder. Ang nice siya guys. Parang ang hirap na galawin. Tapos mayroong lip product dito. And this is very pretty. Unlike the others na nasubukan ko, ito, yung hindi siya like as bulaga when it comes to pigment. And then you can feel yung yung talagang pagiging velvetic silicone. It's just that when it comes to pigment, parang hindi lang siya as consistent compared doon sa kaninang like matte. Oh, nice! What ka naman? Super, super nice! So it comes with 6 shadows, may blush, at saka meron siyang highlighter, and then meron din siyang salamin na super cute. Subukan natin itong blush na sobrang ganda na parang ayaw mo siyang bawasan at ayaw mo siyang galawin. Oh! At makulay siya. Hindi ko ina-expect na, okay, pigmented pala siya. And then yung highlighter, wait, try natin. Sa kamay lang. Oo nga, ayun nga siya. Yung feeling na parang wala nakukuha, pero merong lumalabas, alam mo yun? May in-underestimate ako, so hindi ko na lahat pinakita. Well, supposedly, hindi ko na mapakita lahat kasi ang dami talaga yung lip products. Sabi ko, okay, maybe next time mapakita ko sa inyo yung feature ko. Pero nung sinabi ko na, okay, tinanggal ko yung lipstick sa Cardcaptor Sakura. Sabi ko, palitan ko. So, naghanap-hanap ako sa stash. Tapos sabi ko, okay, tignan nga natin itong Rouge Intense Velvet Slim Lipstick. And then pagbukas ko, kasi yung gano'n ka-extra, merong lalagay yung lipstick and tignan nyo kung anong itsura sa loob. White siya, na leather, and then gold hardware. It's very slim. Ganda na lipstick. And then, igagalan mo siya. And then, oh my God. Meron pa ba? Tingnan nga natin. Ang tawag sa kanya Rouge Intense Velvet Slim Lipstick. This is in the shade L03, guys. So, napapahanap ako kung meron pa kasi gusto ko masubukan yung ibang shade. So, you can go, meron pa. Meron pa tayong 3 more shades. Buksan na natin to, guys. Ito, L07. Wait! Okay. Ito naman ulit. Ito, L03. Ulitin natin yung L03. Para makita nyo, guys, yung difference. L05. Ayan, mas orangey na siya. Itong L01. Ito yung gusto ko pa naman makuha kasi parang ito yung nudish and the thing. Oh, wait! No way! Ang ganda, guys, ng L01. Oh! May pagka-or... Parang siyang peachy, nude, and... Maganda yung coverage niya. Oh, this one's nice! Thank you so much, Perfect Diary, for sending me this massive ear kit. Ako, guys, ang na-enjoy ko, actually, ito talaga, yung slim lipstick at saka itong yung matte liquid lipstick. Silang dalawa because wala, nakakatuwa talaga yung performance niya, and ito specifically because of the packaging talaga. Kilala niyo kasi ako, yung mahilig ako sa white gold, black gold, mga ganyan. So this one is really like a major point and talagang favorite of mine. Itong collectibles nila or yung mga limited boxes nila, the Cardcaptor Sakura, is really nice. So thank you guys so much for joining me. And again guys, yung links nito ilalagay ko on the description box below. At kung meron kayong mga questions, kung nasubukan niyo na sila, let me know on the comment section as well. And I'm happy to read them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!